What if I tell you I'll help you to become a private equity accountant in just 400 rupees? It will shock. But don't need to worry about it. I have designed course that covers everything: capital call distribution, journal entries, example structures, master, feeder, and whatnot. I have covered everything, including how you can prepare for private equity accounting interview. See, look here. I have created a course and published that course on Udemy. So here you can go and check it. Just buy that course and watch all modules. I have designed this course almost for 17 hours that covers everything. Just quickly enroll and enjoy your learning. Trust me, after this you will definitely become a private equity accountant, and even you can crack the interviews as well. This course is benefited for working professionals and even students as well. Even though if you are not aware about private equity and all, still this course will add huge value. Just quickly buy it now before this offer ends. Thank you.